So step one, you want to write down all the dates of your overdraft fees. Step two, you want to call the 1-800 number on the back of your debit card.
Welcome to Chase. Para español, oprima el asterisco. Please enter your debit card, account number, or user ID, followed by the pound key. To report your debit card lost,
Let's get this bag.
please enter your debit card PIN, the same PIN you used at the ATM. Thank you. To access the main menu at any time, press the star key. Your checking account ending in 8282. Connect you with a customer service specialist. This call will be monitored or recorded.
Hey, how's it going, sir? This is Lorenzo. Hey, I was calling to do a overdraft fee refund.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir. Sorry, what was your complete name again?
Oh, Robert LorenzoxGross.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Gross. So you're calling in reference to requesting for a courtesy reversal of an insufficient funds fee, sir? Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now, on that request, I can make a reversal request here based on the account's eligibility. So you're referring about the fee for the $15?
The fee on March 19, 2018.
Okay. Now, I can make the request here, sir, but since it's more than that long for that fee, I cannot guarantee whether this can still be approved or not, sir. I can only make the request, but this will be reviewed by a manager. So you may check this out tomorrow morning whether this will be approved or will be declined, sir, due to the fact that it had been that long for the fee to be requested to be waived, sir. Okay?
Alright, so may I speak to your supervisor?
Yes, sir. I can transfer it directly to the manager. If as long as you request it, I can guidely transfer it directly to one. Kindly stay in the line for me, Mr. Carlos. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Just stay in the line, please.
All that talk.
My name is Christopher Fowler, and I'm from Consumer Banking with Chase. And Mr. Robert LorenzoxGross on a three-way call. Our customer is asking to speak to a manager. The reason for the transfer, man, is that the customer is requesting for a fee reversal for a fee that was assessed on March 19, 2018. I did explain to the customer that I will be passing that one as a bank courtesy. But since the fee was assessed way back on March, it will be put under review and may not be able to be approved immediately, may not be reflecting on the customer's balance until tomorrow if it will be approved. This is something that we would like to be addressed directly to manager and by the customers. Is something can further assist?
I'll speak to your customer, thank you.
Okay. And Mr. Gross, as requested, I did explain your concern to the manager. Is it okay if I excuse myself first?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling, please. Both of you have a good day.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Good morning. This is Abigail from Chase Telephone Banking, and I'm one of the managers. May I have your first and your last name, please?
My last name?
First and last name, please, sir.
Robert Gross.
Thank you so much for that. And yes, Mr. Gross, information, sir, given to me. This is in regards to the $34 fee that's been charged, sir, back in March of 2018. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay, and the information, sir, that was given to me that you would want her to speak to a manager because the information that you were given that the fee will not be approved until tomorrow. Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
I see. So let me take a look at the VD account, Mr. Gross, okay? So we can check what we're able to do to help you out. Because usually it's true, sir, that if it's an old fee, it will take us 24 to 48 business hours, sir, for a refund to be completed. But let me just take a look and check what I can do. One moment, please.
All right.
Thank you. Let's see here. Okay, so yes, I see the fee on the 19th of March 2018. Okay, Mr. Gross, is it fine if I place and hold this for some minutes? So we can take a look and check what I can do, sir, regarding this, okay?
All right, thank you.
I'll be sure to get back, sir. Thank you. And I apologize for that, sir. Okay, great news. I was able, sir, to respond
Big
to
bank, take low bank, bank. Big bank, take low bank, bank. Type of money you gon' lose sight.
Also, can I do a can I take off the overdraft fee protection?
Oh, let me take a look and check, sir. Okay, just give me a quick moment, please. Looking on your profile, sir, I don't see the overdraft protection. Is it the debit card coverage?
Yes.
Okay. So let me just verify. So right now, your debit card coverage decision is no, which means to say that if the funds is not available in your account, that swiping or using your debit card so will be declined if funds is not there. So would you want to change it to yes?
Yes. What's the name of that?
Oh, debit card coverage, sir. That's the name of the service.
Debit card coverage. All right. All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's been a great pleasure. And aside from this, would there be anything else that I missed with today?
No, thank you. That's it.
Okay, that's been a great pleasure, sir. I was able to speak to you, and thank you for being the best part of Chase. Have a good one, sir. Thank
All
you.
right, you too.
Goodbye now.
Big bank, take low bank.
Just like that.
I enjoy it.
If you enjoyed this content, it was very helpful for you guys, and you guys would like to leave a donation to this channel, I will have my PayPal and my CashApp probably on the screen. Yeah, probably on the screen and the description down below. Share this video or tag someone to this video if you know that they have overdraft fees, or if you know they're about to have an overdraft fee. Okay. Leave a comment if this information was helpful for you. If you like this video on YouTube, and leave a comment on YouTube. This will help this video get out to other people so more people can know about this information. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be coming out with more information. Anything that I learn, I'll put on this channel to give back to you guys. You guys have a great day.